Hello and welcome to this tutorial for the Kitbasher system. It is going to be a quick tutorial on just how you can add your different teams within the Kitbasher system so that you can generate your kits going forwards and having your system set up ready for your leagues as you go through the game. We're going to just start with an empty Kitbasher with no setup done already. And what we're going to do is just the quickest and simplest way of importing a team from Wikipedia. So what you can do is if you go to Edit Teams, Import Team, and you'll get this little pop-up here. And all you need to do is go to Wikipedia, like I've done here, take the URL of the nwikipedia.org and for the page of the club itself, copy, paste, and click OK. And you'll see here that it's generating and looking through the system and importing your teams. This would be done quite quickly, and you can see here it's taken the badge, it's got the team name, it'll do its best to find a short name for the team and get the colours for you ready. If we want to get a whole set of teams, or a whole league or something, we can just do almost exactly the same, but instead go to Import League. Again, you just take the URL of the team, of the league that you want to do, copy, paste, click OK, and it'll start getting the kits for that league. We're going to just do a quick time skip just because it does take a little while to get all the teams and the badges downloaded, depending on your internet speed, but it will go through and do that for you quite quickly. And as we can see here, just after a little time skip, we get a list of all of the teams in the Premier League. Now what you'll notice is that even though we imported Manchester City already, it won't override any settings that you've got already for them. If you've made changes, say, to the team colours beforehand, it will just get in the teams that you haven't got within this list. So that's the second way of getting a list of teams in. The third way we're going to look at today is going to be creating a team from scratch. So you can see here we can create a team that either isn't on Wikipedia or doesn't have enough information on Wikipedia, or is a completely new team. So I'm going to be creating the Newcastle Blue Stars. And here all I have to do is upload a badge. It can be a badge of PNG or SVG. I want to put in a team name, Newcastle Blue Stars, and I can leave the team ID blank for now. That can be got later. And then all I want to do is I want to put in a few team colours, just so that there's something for it to kind of pick up, and some away. I think it's blue by default, white, and then black. And all we can do there is we're just going to save. And there we go, we've got Newcastle Blue Stars, all imported and ready to go. And then the final way that I'm going to be doing in this tutorial, and the last thing we're going to do today, is we can use the import teams list. If you go to the Discord, there is the team lists channel, and on there some very nice people such as Paul and Ray and Jared 1993 have been kind enough to generate these lists and share them with us. So all you need to do is download one of these zip files, and then if we go back into Kitbasher, we just go to Settings, Import Teams List, and the Swedish Premier Division. Here we go. So we're going to include that, and that's going to take all of the teams, and Paul and Ray has been kind enough to fill in the team IDs as well, and they're all there. So that's what you can do here. If you're finished with the team or just want to, you're not wanting it anymore, what you can do is you can select the teams you want to get rid of, edit teams, delete the selected teams. And that concludes our tutorial on how you can edit and deal with the team lists that you have so that you can model and generate teams, kits for all your different teams. Thank you for joining us for this tutorial. And if you have any comments, questions or queries, do please join the Discord in the list below. That is also where you can find the latest version of the Kitbasher. Thanks very much, and see you in the next video.